Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2007 lifted GMC Sierra 2500 HD diesel. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, this is a lifted bad boy diesel truck. It has the lift, the running boards, the tow mirrors, the roof rack, the rear tinted windows. Just to focus in a little better, there we go. But as you can see, it has the backup sensors, the tow pack. Has a Bedliner, WeatherTech type floor mats. Let me get down on tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully that helps. This thing is a monster. Fog lights, sunroof, this is the inside condition and features. This also has a remote start, great feature for the winter, summer, cool it down, warm it up. But as you can see, power memory heated seats, power seats. Let's get the condition of the leather. Don't see any rips or tears. Center console there. Let me stand up into this thing here. Passenger seat there. And hopefully the back seat here. Back seat for you. And then rear entertainment there. 2007 rear entertainment, should say. The factory tow assist, 4-wheel drive. Stand back up in here. Let's see, steering wheel controls there. Aftermarket stereo. Let's just turn it over now so I'm not climbing in and out of this guy. Pop the hood in just a second here. Yeah, that tire, the TPS light, the tire sensors are going to be on with those big lifted tires, so keep that in mind. There's mileage there, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Again, pedal shifters, pedal adjusters I should say, backup sensors, all of that good stuff. Let's take a look underneath the hood. It's quite a leap. Alright guys, now I say this in my videos all the time, far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau. Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. But hopefully that helped answer some questions. If there's anything we may have missed and you'd like another video walk around, photos, whatever the case may be, we're happy to help. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.